Next one is P black elements. Telugu version is P black మూలకాలు. Telugu version is P black మూలకాలు. Okay, you know that already. That is a rough diagram of periodic table like this. Rough diagram of periodic table like this. Okay, rough diagram of periodic table like this. Okay, left hand side represented as black elements. Okay, right hand side represents P black elements. Okay, middle of the S black elements and P black elements, middle of the place is represented D black elements. D black elements, middle of the place D black elements, bottom of the place presenting F black elements, presenting F black elements. Already you know that. Okay, first one. Next one is P black elements, P black మూలకాలు. What is the position of the P black elements in periodic table? In periodic table, చూడండి సింపుల్ గా the right hand side of the position of P black elements is right hand side of the on the periodic table. Very very important. The position of P black elements is right hand side on the periodic table. Right hand side on the periodic table. Okay, right hand side. Okay, now the position of the P black elements is right hand side on the periodic table. Okay, you can see the periodic table. The right side elements belongs to P black element. The right side elements belongs to P black elements, generally known as P black elements. Right hand side elements is generally known as P black elements. P black elements. Next one, very very important. The position of the P black elements is right hand side on the periodic table. Right hand side on the periodic table. P black element present on the periodic table at the right hand side. At the right hand side. Next one, very very important. The P black elements in which differentiating electrons enters into the P subcell of outermost orbit. P subcell of outermost orbit. Okay, you can observe the P black elements. Every P black elements in which differentiating electrons enters into the P subcell of outermost orbit. The last of every P black element, the last electron of every P black element enters into the P subcell of outermost orbit. Okay. For better understanding, I can take P black elements. First row is boron. Okay, carbon. Okay, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, now this boron belongs to third A group. This carbon belongs to fourth A group. This nitrogen belongs to fifth A group. This oxygen belongs to sixth A group. This fluorine belongs to seventh A group. This neon belongs to 0 group or 8 group. Okay, 8 group. Okay, sure. P black elements contains 6 groups. These are third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth A group, seventh A group, 0 group or 18th group. 0 group or 18th group. Okay, P block elements contain 6 groups. Okay na. Third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth A group, seventh A group, 0 group or 18th group. 0 group or 18th group. Okay. Third A group started with boron atom. Fourth A group started with carbon atom. Fifth A group started with nitrogen atom. Sixth A group started with oxygen atom. Seventh A group started with fluorine atom. Okay, next one, 0 group started with helium atom. Okay. P block elements contain 6 groups. These are third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth A group, seventh A group, 0 group elements are 18th group elements. Okay. Third A group started with boron atom. Fourth A group started with carbon atom. Fifth A group started with nitrogen atom. Sixth A group started with oxygen atom. Seventh A group started with fluorine atom. 0 group started with helium atom. Okay. I will explain how can P block element, the differentiating electrons enters into P subcell of outermost orbit. I will explain that. Okay. I can take 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay. Once again I repeated. The position of P block elements is right hand side of the periodic table. The position of P block elements is right hand side on the periodic table. You can see the periodic table. The right hand side of the elements is generally known as P block elements. Why? Because you can say the right hand side of the elements is P block elements, in which elements differentiating electron, that is the last electrons, enters into the P subcell of outermost orbit. That's why those elements are generally known as P block elements. Okay now, those elements in which differentiating electrons enters into the P subcell of outermost orbit, though that these elements are generally known as P block elements. Okay, P block elements containing 6 groups. Okay, these are third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth A group, seventh A group, 0 group or 18th group. Third A group started with boron atom. Fourth A group started with carbon atom. Fifth A group started with nitrogen atom. Seventh A group started with oxygen atom. Sixth A group started with oxygen atom. Seventh A group started with fluorine atom. 0 group or 18th group started with helium atom. Okay. Once again, see that one. Okay. Can I rub? Okay, I can rub the board. Okay. Sure, very important. Third A group. Okay. Third A group. Third A group or 13th group. Third A group, 13th group started with boron atom. Symbol is B. That's why third A group generally known as boron family. Okay. Why? Because third A group started with boron atom. That's why these group elements are generally known as boron family. For example, boron, you can take boron atom, atomic number 5. Okay, Okay, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 2p1. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. You can observe this electron configuration. This is a inner electron configuration. Why? Because this 1s orbital, inner cell. This 1s orbital present in inner cell of the boron atom. This is a outermost electron configuration. This is a outermost electron configuration. Why? Because valence electron configuration. Valence electron configuration. Why? Because okay, in a boron atom, last cell is second cell. That's why 2s2 2p1 electron configuration is generally known as valence electron configuration or outermost electron configuration. You can see any 13 group element, outermost electron configuration is 3s2 3p1, 4s2 4p1, 5s2 5p1, 6s2 6p1, like this. That's why general electron configuration of boron family or third group 13 group element is ns2 np1. General electron configuration of third group or 13 group or boron family of atoms is ns2 np1. Why? Because the valence electron present in only ns orbital, np orbital. Okay na? 2 electron present in ns orbital, 1 electron present in np orbital. That's why the general electron configuration of 13th group or third year group boron family group elements is ns2 np1. ns2 np1. Once again I repeated. Third year group element started with boron atom. That's why third year group element generally known as boron family. Okay na? Can you take the boron atom? Okay na? The atomic number of boron atom is 5. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. In this electron configuration, 1s2 electron configuration is inner electron configuration. 2s2 2p1 electron configuration is outer electron configuration or valence electron configuration. Why? Because in a boron atom having only 2 cells. Okay na? That is first one and second one. Okay na? Second one. The three electrons present in valence cell. The 3 electrons filled into electrons 2s orbital and another electron filled with 2p orbital. That's why finally general electron configuration of, okay, you can take boron aluminum. Okay na? Boron aluminum. Anyone, okay, you can take any boron family elements or any 13th group element or third group element. The general electron configuration, last electron configuration is, okay, ns2 np1. The general electron configuration, outermost electron configuration, valence electron configuration is ns2 np1. Clear? First of all, okay, third year group element generally known as 13 group elements. Okay, 13 group elements or third year group elements started with boron atom. That's why these group elements are generally known as boron family. The general electron configuration of 13 group elements is ns2 np1. Next one, fourth year group elements. Fourth year group elements or 14th group elements. Fourth year group elements or 14th group elements. Next one, fourth year group elements or 14th group elements. 14th group elements started with carbon atom. That's why this group element generally known as carbon family. Carbon family. Can you see the electron configuration of carbon? Carbon atomic number 6. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This carbon having only 2 cells. First cell, this is a first cell, this is a second cell. Okay, first cell is generally known as inner cell. Okay, 1s cell is generally known as inner cell. That's why this is the inner electron configuration. This is the outer electron configuration or valence electron configuration. Okay, in valence cell of carbon 4 electrons present. Okay, in which 4 electrons, 2 electrons filled with 2s orbital, remaining 2 electrons filled with filled in 2p orbital. Filled in 2p orbital. That's why the general electron configuration of fourth group element or 14th group elements is NS2 NP2. NS2 NP2. NS2 NP2. You can take any 14th group element, carbon, silicon, like that. You can take any 14th group element. The general electron configuration of 14th group element NS2 NP2. Okay. Here you can change only n value. For example, silicon 3s2 3p2. 3s2 3p2. 3s2 3p2. That is a silicon electron configuration. Okay. Once again I repeat it. 14th group elements are fourth year group elements. Okay, now 14th group elements, fourth year group elements started with carbon atom. That's why 14th group element generally known as carbon family. 14th group element generally known as carbon family. Okay, you can see the carbon atomic number is 6. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, now in which carbon having only two cells. Two cells in which one is cell, one is first cell and second one is second cell. Okay. First cell filled with 2 electrons in 1s orbital. Remaining 4 electrons present in outermost orbit are valence cell in which 4 electron, 2 electrons filled in 2s orbital. Remaining 2 electrons filled in 2p orbital. Okay. Finally, the general electron configuration of 14th group elements or fourth year group elements, carbon family elements is NS2 NP2. NS2 NP2. Okay. NS2 NP2. Next one is you can take next one. Fifth year group elements or 15th group elements. 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 Okay. Fifth year group elements started with nitrogen atom. That's why fifth year group element generally known as nitrogen family. 15th group elements are generally known as nitrogen family. Why? Because 15th group elements started with nitrogen atom. That's why 15th group elements are generally known as nitrogen family. Okay. You can take nitrogen atom. The atomic number of nitrogen atom is 7. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Nitrogen having two cells, first one, second one. In which two cells, first cell filled with 2 electrons in 1s orbital. Remaining 5 electrons filled in second cell. 2 electrons filled in 2s orbital. Remaining 3 electrons filled in 2p orbital. You can take any the general electron configuration of. This is the inner electron configuration. This is the outer electron configuration. The general electron configuration of 15th group elements is NS2 NP3. You can take any 15th group element. The general electron configuration is NS2 NP3. You are only changing N1. Okay. For example, you can take next element is phosphorus. Atomic number is 15. Electron configuration is, for example, atomic number 15. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. This is the inner electron configuration. This is the outer electron configuration. General electron configuration is NS2 NP3, like this. NS2 NP3. Okay. 3 group elements already completed. First one, third year group elements, 13th group elements. Third year group elements, 13th group elements started with boron atom. That's why third year group elements, 13th group elements generally known as boron family. Okay, now you can take the boron atom. The atomic number of boron atom is 5. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Okay, this 1s2 is the inner electron configuration. Why? Because this 1s present in inner cell. Okay, now this is 2s2, 2p1 is the outer electron configuration. Why? Because this is the outer cell of. Okay, now 2s2, 2p orbital present in outer cell of boron atom. That's why this is generally known as outer electron configuration. Okay, outer electron configuration. You can take any one, boron. Okay, you can take boron, aluminum. You can take aluminum, for example, You can take aluminum. You can take aluminum. Atomic number 13. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. 3s2, 3p1. This is a outer electron configuration. 3s2, 3p1 is a outer electron configuration. 3s2, 3p1 is outer electron configuration. Finally, general electron configuration is ns2, np1. Okay, now you can take any boron family atoms, any 13th group element, the general electron configuration is ns2, np1. Okay, next one. 14th group elements are 4th A group elements. 14th group elements are 4th A group elements. Okay, started with carbon atom. That's why this group element generally known as carbon family. Okay, you can take the carbon atom. The atomic number of carbon atom is 6. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, in which 1s2 electron configuration is inner electron configuration. Remaining 2s2, 2p2 electron configuration is outer electron configuration. Why? Because okay, the outermost orbit, outermost cell in a carbon atom is 2s2, second cell. That's why 2s2, 2p2 electron configuration present in second cell. That's why this is generally known as outermost electron configuration. The general electron configuration of 14th group of 4th A group elements is ns2, np2. Okay, another example, you can take another example, that is a silicon. Okay, this is also 14th group element. Atomic number 14. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. 3s2, 3p2. Okay, true. This is a general electron configuration. This is outermost electron configuration. Okay, this is also general electron configuration. This resembles to general electron configuration of ns2, np2. This resembles to general electron configuration ns2, np2. Okay, 5th A group element or 15th group element. 5th A group elements or 15th group element. Okay, 5th A group elements, 15th group elements started with nitrogen atom. That's why 5th A group elements, 15th group element generally known as nitrogen family. You can see the nitrogen atom. Atomic number of nitrogen atom is 7. Electron configuration of nitrogen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In which electron configuration 1s2 electron configuration is inner electron configuration. Remaining 2s2, 2p3 electron configuration is a outer electron configuration. Why? Because nitrogen atom having only two cells, first one and second one. 2s2, 2p3 electron configuration present in second cell, that is a outermost orbit or valency cell. That's why the electron configuration of the outermost electron configuration of nitrogen atom is 2s2, 2p3. The general electron configuration of 5th A group element or 15th group element is ns2, np3. Okay. You can see the board once again. Okay. Can I ref? Next one. 6th A group element. Next one. 6th A group elements group are 16th group elements. 16th group elements. 6th A group elements are 16th group elements. 6th A group elements are 16th group elements. 6th A group elements started with oxygen atom. That's why 6th A group elements generally known as oxygen family. Generally known as oxygen family. 6th A group elements started with oxygen atom. That's why 16th group elements are generally known as oxygen family. Okay, you can take oxygen atomic number. Oxygen atomic number is 8. You can see the electron configuration of oxygen atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 2s2, 2p4. Okay, in which 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 electron configuration, 1s2 electron configuration is inner electron configuration. Remaining 2s2, 2p4 electron configuration is outer electron configuration. Another one, you can take another element, that is sulfur. Second element of 6th A group element is sulfur. Atomic number is 16. General electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. This is a first cell, this is a second cell, this is a last cell. Okay, these two cells are inner cells. That's why the inner electron configuration of sulfur is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Remaining 3s2, 3p4 electron configuration is outer electron configuration. You can see the oxygen sulfur atom electron configuration. 2s2 2p4 is the outer electron configuration. 3s2 3p4 is the outer electron configuration. You can take any cysteine group elements. The outer electron configuration is like 2s2 2p4 or 3s2 3p4, 4s2 4p4, 5s2 5p4. Finally, the general electron configuration of cysteine group elements is ns2 np4. ns2 np4. The general electron configuration of cysteine group is ns2 np4. Once again, I repeated. Cysteine group elements are cysteine group elements. Cysteine group elements are cysteine group elements started with oxygen atom. That's why this cysteine group element or cysteine group elements are generally known as oxygen family. Oxygen family. You can take one atom of oxygen cysteine group element or cysteine group element, that is oxygen atom. Atomic number of oxygen atom is 8. Electron configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2 2s2 2p4. Okay, in which electron configuration 1s2 electron configuration is a inner electron configuration, remaining 2s2 2p4 electron configuration is outer electron configuration. Why? Because oxygen atom having only two cells, that is first one and second one, in which first cell 1s orbital present and second cell 2s 2p orbital present. That's why 1s2 electron configuration is inner electron configuration. Remaining 2s2 2p4 electron configuration is generally known as outer electron configuration. You can take another atom of cysteine group element or cysteine group element, that is a sulfur. Atomic number is cysteine. Electron configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4. Okay, you can observe this electron configuration. This is the first cell, this is the second cell, this is the third cell. Okay, third cell is the last cell, outermost orbit or valence cell. Remaining two cells are inner cell. The inner electron configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 is inner electron configuration. Remaining 3s2 3p4 is a outer electron configuration. The general electron configuration, you can take any cysteine group or cysteine group element, the general electron configuration is ns2 np4. Okay, you can change the n value. Oxygen 2, okay, a sulfur 3, remaining atom change the 4 5 6 like this. Next one, 7th group elements. Next one, 7th group elements. Next one, 7th group elements are 7th group elements are 7th group elements are 17th group elements. 17th group elements. 17th group element. 17th group element. Okay, 7th group elements are 17th group elements. 7th group element started with fluorine. But the family name of 7th group element is halogen family. Halogen family. 7th group element. The family name of 7th group elements or 17th group elements is generally name is halogen family. Okay, you can take the atomic number of fluorine is 9. Electron configuration 1s2 2s2 1s2 2s2 2p5. Fluorine atom having only two cells, that is first one, this is second one, in which first cell 2 electrons filled in 1s orbital, remaining second cell 2s 2p orbital present, in which 2s 2p orbital 2s orbital filled with 2 electrons, remaining 2p orbital filled with 5 electrons. That's why the general electron configuration of halogen family is ns2 np5. You can take another example, another element here, that is fluorine. Atomic number is 17. Electron configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5. You can observe this fluorine electron configuration. This is the first cell, this is belongs to second cell, this is third cell, this is last cell or outermost cell or valence cell. Remaining two cells are inner cell. That's why 1s2 2s2 2p6 electron configuration is inner electron configuration. Remaining 3s2 3p5 electron configuration is outer electron configuration. Okay, finally the general electron configuration is 17th group elements or 7th group elements is ns2 np5. Okay, once again I repeated. 60th group element or 16th group element. 60th group element or 16th group element. 60th group element or 16th group element. 60th group element or 16th group element started with oxygen atom. That's why generally this group element generally known as oxygen family. oxygen family. You can take the oxygen atom. Atomic number is 8. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, in which electron configuration 1s2 electron configuration is inner electron configuration, remaining 2s2, 2p4 electron configuration, outer electron configuration. The general electron configuration of sixth group element is ns2 np4. Remaining seventh group element is generally known as 17th group elements. Okay, seventh group elements started with chlorine atom, but the name of seventh group element is family name is halogen family. The general electron configuration is ns2 np5. Last one, zero group elements are 18th group elements. Zero group elements group are 18th group elements. 18th group elements. Okay, zero group elements started with helium atom. Okay, the electron configuration of helium is 1s2. Remaining, okay, next one electron configuration is neon. Atomic number of helium is 2. Atomic number of neon is 10. The electron configuration of neon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is the inner electron configuration. This is the outer electron configuration. The general electron configuration is ns2, np6. ns2, np6 and also ns2. Okay. The general electron configuration of zero group element is ns2 or ns2, np6. Okay. Now, this group element generally known as noble gas elements. This group generally known as noble gas elements. Okay. Finally, the general electron configuration of p black elements. The general electronic configuration of p black elements is ns2 np126. ns2 np126. You can observe the p black elements, in which p black element, the nature of p black elements is metals, some elements metallic character, some elements non-metallic character, some elements both metal character and non-metal character. This is generally known as metallites. Okay, majorly non-metals, metallites. Some of the elements, low percentage of elements is metal. Okay, now p black elements contains non-metals, metals